So let's illustrate these types of plans with the case of Google in 2020. So in terms of its strategy, Google wanted to diversify its business. And it noted that it already had a somewhat wide range of products, but it needed to expand its product sphere in order to sustain competitive advantage through innovation. Google noted that as one of the most innovative companies in the world, it needed to stay abreast of other competitors like Samsung, Apple, Huawei, and others. And by looking at the external environment, Google noted several developments. It already noted quite early on that artificial intelligence technology was going to be a major component of any future economy. So it had its eyes set on developing this artificial technology further, that it could then also integrate into its applications, as we're seeing nowadays with the implementation of artificial intelligence in Google's search engine, for instance. It also noted that it had a large market share of digital marketing, primarily through Google Ads, but there are still opportunities to expand this presence in the market. And it also noted an increased need for cloud computing, as well as other hardware components like mobile phones. So essentially, in order to translate these strategic objectives into more manageable goals, Google laid out various tactical plans. It laid out tactical plans for product development, for market expansion in the digital advertising sphere, as well as seeking out and maintaining partnerships. So for instance, it focused on product development plans for its mobile phones in order to have better features than, for instance, Apple's iPhone or Samsung's mobile phones. These tactical plans were then translated into operational plans, and operational plans typically they're on a monthly or weekly basis, and they refer to the day-to-day operational management of translating these tactical plans. In this case, Google focused on software development, on product launches for its mobile phones, as well as optimizing the entire supply chain logistics. And of course, being this big as Google is, it has its tentacles basically spread out all over the world. You need contingency or risk management plans. And Google in particular faced various uncertainties in various national regulations. These can differ quite a bit. So Google must adapt its products to the various national regulations of the countries in which it sells its products. And in particular, Google had some issues with antitrust rulings and data privacy laws. And by anticipating any of these events, Google was essentially able to save a lot of money, as well as to have a smoother product launch of the technology that they developed.